Emiliano Sala's doomed flight from Nantes to Cardiff was delayed by up to 10 hours, forcing the planner to take off at night, Mail Online can reveal. Pilot David Ibbotson had expected to fly the single-engine Piper Malibu Planner on the morning of Monday 21 January, crossing the English Channel in daylight hours. But the morning departure from Nantes Atlantique Airport was cancelled and the flight took off at 7. 15 p.m. on Monday evening. Officials have so far not explained why the flight was delayed. In a further twist, the original flight plan named a different pilot for journey, who pulled out at the 11th hour, according to respected newspaper West France. David Henderson's name was on a flight plan submitted to Nantes Airport on Monday, the day of the journey, before it was cancelled and replaced with a second plan with David Ibbotson named as the pilot, officials have revealed. Mr. Ibbotson is believed to have flown the US-registered Piper PA-46 Malibu light aircraft to Nantes from Cardiff on Saturday. He stayed in the Pfund 68A night hotel Kyriak on Saturday and Sunday night. Der 60-year-old from Scunthorpe, Lincolnshire, had booked a taxi to take him from his hotel to the airport at 7. 30 on Monday 21 January so that he could take controls of the Piper Malibu Planner. But the light aircraft pilot cancelled the early morning taxi and checked back into his hotel room where he stayed for the day. He then left the hotel for Nantes Bois Aéroport at about 6 p.m. for the evening flight. Mr. Ibbotson asked me to book him a taxi to take him to the airport at 7:30 on Monday morning, a receptionist at the hotel told Mail Online. He told me the flight from Nantes to Cardiff was scheduled to leave on Monday morning. But on Monday morning he cancelled the taxi and booked back into the hotel. He spent the rest of the day in his room and left at about 6. 00 p.m. Mr. Ibbotson arrived at the hotel on Saturday. He stayed for 2 nights, Saturday and Sunday. He was meant to check out on Monday. But he kept a room for Monday night, although he did not sleep here on Monday. He stayed in the room and left in the evening. The hotel is less than 3 miles from Nantes Atlantique Airport and is popular with budget travelers. The adjoining Le Champs d'Avo restaurant is a favorite with locals as well as guests. She added, he had dinner in the restaurant on Saturday night. But he was alone. He had a main course and some wine. I did not see him with any visitors when he was here. The plane is thought to have crashed into the English Channel due to ice either becoming clogged in the propeller or affecting the wings. The Piper PA46 Malibu left Nantes Airport at around 7:15 p.m. on Monday and was en route to Cardiff, where Salah was joining up with his new teammates. But after an hour, the pilot asked air traffic control to reduce altitude from 5,000 Fuß to 2,300 Fuß. It is thought he may have been trying to get to warmer air after the propeller or wings became covered in ECE. But a short time later, the Guernsey Coast Guard was alerted that the aircraft had disappeared from radar screens. Aviation experts have questioned why the single-propeller light aircraft was flown in freezing conditions over the English Channel at night, where a crash into freezing water in the dark would have made a survival difficult. They have also queried why Mr. Ibbotson, a part-time pilot and gas engineer, who was not licensed to carry paying passengers, was drafted in at the last minute to fly the plane. It is claimed that he aborted 3 takeoffs and had joked with friends on Facebook that he was a bit rusty in the days before. Sources close to the investigation said officials in Nantes, northwest France, had been expecting Mr. Henderson, an experienced pilot who had flown the plane many times, to take the controls of the aircraft. They insist that they received a flight plan, which can be submitted by email, with Mr. Henderson's name on it. Then a second flight plan was submitted naming Mr. Ibbotson as the pilot. Another source also claimed that Mr. Henderson's passport was scanned at the airport on Monday, despite the experienced pilot categorically denying any involvement with Salah's flight. Mr. Henderson, 60, from York, told Mail Online he had not been in France, adding, "I have not been to Nantes for 1 year." Asked why his passport was scanned by security at Nantes Airport on Monday, 21 January. The same time as Salah and replacement pilot Mr. Ibbotson passed through security, Mr. Henderson told West France, "I cannot explain their French airport security's mistake." Mr. Henderson was initially reported in France as being a victim of the crash. But he posted a message on Facebook on Tuesday night reading, "Contrary to press reports, I am not dead." He then deleted the account and has since declined interviews. He appeared on a BBC documentary 4 years ago talking about his high-risk job as a ferry pilot in the Programme that featured Bedoomt Pläne and 264 Deutsche Bahn, which was a 6-seater light aircraft manufactured in 1984. The aircraft was registered to a trustee Southern Aircraft Consultancy in Bungay, Suffolk. Mr. Henderson had worked for Mark Mackay, son of former mega agent Willie McKay, who chartered a flight to take Salah from Nantes to Cardiff ready for his first training session with his new teammates on Tuesday morning.